Welcome all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. I am Assistant Professor Sangamitra Benkhale. Class TY BMMC Semester 6, Subject Brand Management, and today's our topic is Brand Elements. The meaning of brand, branding and brand management. The brand is the combination of properties within and outside an offering that gives it an identity and makes it distinct from others. According to the Kotler, the brand is a name, term, logo, symbol, sign, or a combination of all of these that identifies the maker or seller of the product. What is brand element? The brand element, also known as the brand identities. They are devices that allows a brand to be identifiable and differentiable. These devices are things like a logo, brand names, slogans, jingles, packaging, and so on. The strong brand has an element that they are easy to identify and differentiate the product from competitors. The criteria for choosing the brand element. When choosing the brand element, the marketer wants to make sure that the brand element are memorable, meaningful and likable in order to build the brand equity. There are 6 criteria that must be kept in mind for a brand element. Those are memorable, meaningful, likable, transferable, adaptable and protectable. Memorable. The brand element need to be grab the consumer's attention in order to become a memorable. To make a brand memorable, the marketer has to work on making the brand recognizable, and the consumer should be able to recall the brand when they make their buying decision. Example, MRF tire, we recall the Muscle Man. Fevicol, these are a famous brand, we immediately recollect it when we need to use them. Meaningful, what do you mean by the meaningful? The marketer needs to ensure that the brand elements are descriptive and suggesting something about the product category of the brand. It is important to develop a brand awareness and recognition for the brand in a particular product category. The brand elements also need to have a persuasive meaning and suggest something about particular benefit and attributes about the brand. This is necessary for defining the position of the brand in a particular category. Example, Cadbury Dairy Milk, Parle-G, Pepsi soft drink, Saffola oil, Suhana masala. When we are recollect to use this brand, to use this product, we immediately recall our memory and we find such names. That is a famous brands. Likeable. What do you mean by a likeable? The brand elements need to be a fun, interesting, colorful and not necessarily always directly related to the product. The memorable, meaningful and likable brand elements make it easier to build a brand recognition and brand equity. For example, Ronald McDonald of McDonald's is one of the most recognizable brand mascot. The Ronald McDonald is a clown character which is easily recognized by the children. The above three criteria constitutes the offensive strategy towards the building brand equity. This means the market has to be actively involved in bringing about the relative changes in the brand element. Transferable. The marketer need to keep in mind that the brand element should be able to add the brand equity across the geographical boundaries, the brand extension and market segments. Adaptable. The brand element should be adaptable. Because of changes in consumer values and opinions, the desire of brand remain contemporary. More adaptable and flexible brand elements are useful. For example, logos and characters can be given a new look or a new design to make them appear more modern and relevant. For example, Coca-Cola has been updating its logo over the years to keep up the latest fashion trends and opinions. Protectable. The brand element should be protectable legally. The brand elements need to be chosen in such a way that they can be protected legally and registered with the local bodies. Marketers need to defend their trademarks from the unauthorized competitive product category. Transferable, adaptable and protectable, these three criteria constitute the defensive strategy toward the leveraging and maintaining the brand equity. Logos and symbols. Logos is a graphic mark, emblem or symbol commonly used by commercial enterprises, organization to aid to promote the instant public recognition. Logos are either purely graphic and the symbols give a visual identity to the brand name. Some brands just use the brand name as a logo like Amul, IBM, Intex, etc. Whereas some use symbols like a Nike and Olympic rings. The logos are versatile and can be used across the range of a product. Character. Character represents a special type of brand symbol, one that takes on a human or a real life characteristics. Characters are usually promoted through an ad campaign and they create a brand identity for the product. For example, Parle G Girl has given an identity to the brand for so many years. The people recognize the biscuit because of the character of the girl used on it. Slogans. The slogans are also the short phrases that communicate descriptive or persuasive. The slogans are short phrases that communicate descriptive or persuasive information about the brand. The slogan helps to build the brand awareness. The slogan enforces the brand positioning. Some examples of effective use of slogans are in our daily life are like Amul, the taste of India, Surf, दाग अच्छे है, Asian Paints, हर घर कुछ कहता है, Raymond's, The Complete Man, Red FM, बजाते रहो, ताज महल, वहाँ ताज, बजाज, हमारा बजाज, LIC, जिंदगी के बाद भी और जिंदगी के साथ भी और जिंदगी के बाद भी. The slogans are make the product look different from the competitors. So the slogans are also very important. Packaging. The effective packaging makes easy to understand the product easily. The packaging differs many benefits to the product. It gets the consumer to notice the product and make the product likable. For example, Frito-Lay's design its packaging in such a way that the consumer get excited to pick up the product because of the various colors used for the packaging, offering the different flavors of the chips. Jingles. The jingles are musical message written around the brand. They use catchy words and have a tone which is very melodic. They immediately register in the mind of customer. Cadbury Dairy Milk Chocolate have used jingles effectively in their ad campaigns. URLs, Uniform Resource Locator. Specify the locations of the pages on the web and also commonly referred to as a domain names. Having URL in the name of the brand gives it the visibility and make the search easy for a customer. In today's competitive world, the branding is very necessary, and for branding such very important elements are very needed to establish the brand. Thank you.